right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know, yeah, this right here forever.
매콤달콤 국물 떡볶이.
Welcome to forever, man. Let's go.
안녕하세요. 초간단 맛있는 레시피 플렉스푼입니다. 오늘의 메뉴는 매콤달콤한 국물에 쫄깃쫄깃한 떡볶이가 들어간 국물 떡볶이를 만들어 보겠습니다. 그럼 재료 소개부터 할게요.
You know that this right here forever. And there will be no surrender. Now allow me to reintroduce myself. They call me J.O. N to the easy E-N.
먼저 떡국떡 300g을 찬물에 씻어줄게요.
But his lines are overhead. Better check the air for clearance. Call the tower. This is our clear to heat the air apparent.
떡국떡을 씻은 다음 양파, 파, 어묵을 썰은 후 양념장을 만들어줄게요.
I'm raising the bar. You can go ahead and measure. Think about time for a toast. Time that we welcome to go. Yo, we're just leaving. I think about time that somebody go get them their coat. You know I got all that anthem. Come back in what you call that add-on. Got anthems and bands with masters. Getting them right like my name was Miranda. I ain't bigger dead than alive. I ain't bigger dead than alive. One more time. This is forever. Remember the legend. He never gonna die. Yeah.
이제 재료가 준비되었다면 물 400ml 넣고 끓인 후 양념장을 풀어줄게요.
I ain't bigger dead than alive. Bigger dead than alive. Just making sure that you know why. Because this is forever.
양념장이 다 풀어졌다면 준비된 떡과 양파, 어묵을 넣고 3분간 끓여줄게요.
You know that this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever.
마지막으로 파를 넣고 1분간 더 끓여주면 맛있는 국물 떡볶이가 완성됩니다.
No surrender.